Hello everyone, and welcome back. Before we begin learning Q learning, I'd like to take a few minutes to walk you through the roadmap for this section. Think of this as a quick preview of everything we'll be covering over the next few lessons. Having a roadmap is always helpful because it gives you a clear picture of where we're heading and how each topic connects to the next. Instead of learning isolated concepts, you'll understand how every lesson contributes to building a complete understanding of Q learning. We'll begin by exploring the fundamentals of reinforcement learning. Before learning any algorithm, it is important to understand the basic philosophy behind this learning approach. We'll discuss how an AI agent interacts with its environment, how it learns from its experiences, and why reinforcement learning is different from other machine learning techniques. Once that foundation is established, we'll move on to one of the most important mathematical concepts in reinforcement learning, that is, the Bellman equation. Don't worry if the name sounds unfamiliar right now. We'll study it step by step and understand why it is considered the backbone of Q learning. After that, we'll look at how an AI agent creates a strategy for navigating through an environment. We'll understand how an intelligent agent decides what action to take next and how these decisions gradually lead it toward achieving its objective. Next, we'll introduce another important concept called the Markov decision process, or MDP. This provides the framework used by many reinforcement learning algorithms. Rather than presenting everything at once, we'll continue building our understanding layer by layer so that each new concept naturally extends the previous one. As we continue, we'll discuss the difference between plans and policies. Although these terms are often used together, they represent different ideas in reinforcement learning. Understanding this distinction will help you read research papers, books, and advanced AI resources with much greater confidence. We'll then explore the idea of introducing a living penalty into an environment. This may sound like a small change, but you'll see how it significantly influences the way an AI agent behaves and encourages it to find more efficient solutions. Once all these building blocks are in place, we'll finally arrive at the main topic of this section, the intuition behind Q learning. We'll understand how Q values are formed, what they represent, and how they help an AI agent choose the best possible action in different situations. After that, we'll study temporal difference learning, which explains how an AI continuously updates its knowledge based on new experiences. This is one of the key ideas that allows reinforcement learning agents to improve their performance over time. So that is our roadmap for this section. I hope you are excited about the journey ahead because each lesson builds upon the previous one, and by the end, you'll see how all these individual concepts come together to form one of the most important algorithms in reinforcement learning. So, let's get started, and I'll see you in the first lesson.